Welcome to this unboxing video for the Caofen F80. My colleagues here are going to show you how to do it. The first step is to cut the straps fastening the box. Open the box and take it off. Smoothly cut through the protective plastic and pull it away. Grab the small box and open it. Inside the box we have a toolkit and other accessories such as the charger, mirrors, and footrest. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the protective frame. Continue to remove bolts around the protection frame. Remove the remaining protective film and packaging. Change the screw size. Loosen the bolts on the faceplate. Release the faceplate and then mount the handlebar. Secure the faceplate over the bars and install all bolts. Make sure the handlebar screws are tight enough and does not wobble. Install the front indicator lights. Secure it with your hands. To install the front wheel, you will need a wrench and a skewer. Unscrew the bolts gently. Remove the side nuts and take off the clamp and set forks apart. Take out the flanged axle nuts. Remove brake protector. Insert a part of the axle and a nut in the hole. Install the wheel and align brake rotor. Make sure both sides of the axle are fully engaged into fork dropouts. Tighten the clamp and nuts. Using a wrench and skewer, fix the bolts tightly on both ends. Now, let's install the fender. Make sure the fender is on the right position. Secure the fender by screwing bolts tightly. Secure the cables with ties. Now we will position the footrest. Change the size of the screwdriver. Remove the bolt carefully. Attach the bolt to the footrest. Let's now install it to the bike. Tighten the bolt and make sure the footrest is flexible. Let's unpackage the rearview mirrors. Fix the mirror on the handlebar. Firmly fix the rearview mirror using a wrench. Proceed to secure the other mirror. Now let's have a look at the wireless keys. Hop on your e-motorcycle. Press the power button. Use the remote to turn on the display. Press the beam switch and test the headlight. Use the switch to test the front light indicators. Try out all other switches and test tail light. Remove the protective seat cover. Your new F80 e-motorcycle is fully assembled. Have a joyous ride.